Okay, so now I want to show you how to record or to use the noise reduction effect. So first we need to record something. Hello, and welcome to our podcast. So we likely want to remove any background sound from this recording, and I kind of made an odd noise with my mouth here. So what we can do is try to eliminate some of that with our noise reduction and have a flat line on anything that's not audio that we want our audience to hear. So first we highlight that section with our mouse, then we go up to effects, and then we go to noise reduction and we get noise profile. Then we highlight the entire track, go back to effect, and you will now see that it says repeat noise reduction. Click that and it should remove quite a bit of that background noise.